Our signature pipe is the fastest yard drain pipe in the world. High octane, royal blue 8-slot. New construction, you want to make sure that you get your French drains in before you finish your sod and your sprinklers. Now, that berm was just hydroseeded, which is great. That'll just bounce right back, that grass, especially because it's spring. So we're able to run right across it. The track machines, in particular the Ditch Witch, has a really good design with their 3-sprocket machine that I absolutely love. So look at this. No sod, no sprinklers back here, and look at the drain system that we put in. A beautiful open French drain. And we actually repurposed the dirt in the grade. So that's another benefit. It's super easy to do that before you do all your sod and all your sprinklers. All right, everybody. Until the next video.